House Bytown Vocabulary Workshop Unit 1 At School. Quiet. The librarian told everyone to be quiet. Ask. You need to ask more questions in class. Library. I borrowed a book from the school library. Interesting. This is one of the most interesting books I've read all year. Change. I need to change into my gym uniform. Playground. There's a playground near my school. Tidy. She keeps her desk tidy. Classroom. I don't think another desk will fit into this classroom. Follow. I always follow the teacher's instructions. Restroom. The restroom is next to the main entrance. House Bytown Vocabulary Workshop Unit 1 At School.